Welcome to CAD Concepts. Today we'll explore wonderful and highly creative technique to solve AutoCAD setting. This is highly recommended for a student. Even busy professional, you are great welcome. Must watch out this complete video. This is just highly creative solution with AutoCAD setting. Okay, you can solve any problem with AutoCAD setting in just few seconds. So let this here. The problem is I am not getting multiple window this area like this. I'm not getting. How to solve this I have tried in many ways, but I'm not getting. Okay. Then I have reset AutoCAD. After reset, still I'm not getting. Okay. What I will do, I will let this here very creative solution. Okay. First thing first, I will take this area screenshot full. Okay. Just press print screen and open your paint. Okay. Paste your screenshot here and come to here. I will mark this area what the problem exactly. Let this mark bold. Okay. Take red color. I will mark out this area to highlight the problem we are getting here. Okay. Just let this simply and watch very carefully. Save this image. Okay. In any folder. Let this here. Name AutoCAD. It can be anything. Okay. So same as it is. What I will do, open ChatGPT and come to here. Attach. Upload from computer. Select your image. Okay. And type your problem. I will type here. If you see the image, I am not getting multiple drawing opening option. Please solve it. So I have simply explained. If you see the image, I am not getting multiple drawing opening option. Please solve it. ChatGPT what doing exactly? Analyzing image. It seems you are referring the missing file tabs. Feature in AutoCAD that allow you to see a switch multiple opening drawing. Type file tab. It asks you type file tab in the command. Okay. So this thing we are getting here. Okay. What you do? Come to AutoCAD. Type file tab. Okay. The problem got solved. So the idea we got from ChatGPT. Just type file tab. Okay. We are getting here. So our problem got simply resolved. Same as it is. We'll see other one. Okay. Which is very important. Now, the problem is I'm not getting here command bar. I have no idea how to search, how to find out from Google. What I will do, same as it is, take screenshot, okay, and paste your screenshot here. Same as it is, draw this area, okay. See, you can draw any area. It is just for reference. If you have anywhere any problem, you can draw randomly. Maybe you are facing this point anywhere, okay, any complex issue, just mark like this, okay. For now, we need our command bar, okay. So let this as it is and simply save this image, okay. And let this here AutoCAD. It can be anything, okay. Open ChatGPT and let this here upload from computer. Upload your image, okay. The same thing you have to explain in very much simple way, okay. I will type here simply. Before I type shortcut here. Now I not see here. Okay, I just simply explain my situation because I am not getting what to do. Okay, it already explained. It seems command line in AutoCAD not visible. It suggests shortcut method Control+9. Okay, we need this much. What we do? Go to AutoCAD. Simply press Control+9. Okay, well we are getting here. Let this other one very important. I want to hide this area. I don't know what name, what this. Maybe you are a student, you have no idea what is this. This is viewcube, but you want to hide. Okay. Let this paste here and mark with circle, rectangle. Just highlight. Okay. We'll keep circle. You can keep anything. Okay. Just to explain ChatGPT what we are doing. Okay. I want to hide this setting, this viewcube, but I don't know how to do this. Okay. Save your image. Open ChatGPT. Upload from computer. Select the image. Okay. I don't know how to hide this circle mark. I just simply explain. I don't know how to hide this circle mark. So here is the solution. What you do? it's a mark appear like screen showing viewcube. Okay, viewcube issue you are getting here. So what you do, just search your command. Okay, so it's a use command, this one. What you do, copy this command. Okay, and same as it is, go to AutoCAD. Okay, and simply paste it here and hit enter. You are getting 3 value, let this 0. Okay, 0 means off in coding. Okay, 1 2 3 it can be on off. Okay, so 0 already will go off. Okay, now you see here. So this way you can effectively utilize ChatGPT to solve your setting. It can be any reference, it can be any corner. Maybe you are not familiar with that command bar or with that particular name in technical point of view. So this is the perfect way to find out your setting solution using ChatGPT. I hope you got these insights, definitely helpful. Must practice your issue in anyhow, maybe you will find in the future. If you got this video helpful, must explore CAD concepts. You will get amazing insights in this channel. Thanks for watching. See you in next video with another topic.